Good morning students. In this video we are going to see about Mobile Ad Hoc Network. Mobile Ad Hoc Network is the infrastructure-less network. We can easily download anywhere and any place at any time. So Mobile Ad Hoc Network, here the host movement is frequent. Anyone can easily join or leave the network at any time. Topology will be changed frequently. Here not static topology, it's a dynamic topology one. Here also no cellular infrastructure and multi-hop wireless links. Data must be routed via intermediate node itself. Why ad hoc networks will be needed? So setting up a fixed access point and backbone infrastructure is not always viable. Infrastructure may not be present in a disaster area or war zones. We can't create a networks with base of access point in the war zones or disaster area. So in these areas we can create a networks without having an access point. So we can use the ad hoc networks. So infrastructure may not be practical for short range radius. Example is Bluetooth. So in ad hoc networks do not need backbone infrastructure support and easily deployed and useful when infrastructure is absent, destroyed or impractical. Challenges in mobile environments. So limitations of wireless network. Packet loss due to the transmission errors will be easily achieved. Variable capacity of links, frequent disconnections and partitions, limited communications bandwidth and broadcast nature of the communication. And limitations imposed by mobility is dynamically changing topologies and routes, lack of mobility awareness by systems and applications, and limitations of mobile computers. Short battery lifetime and limited capacities will be main challenges in the mobile environment. And what is the motivations for developing the mobile ad hoc network? Can we apply medium access method for fixed networks? Example CSMA-CD, carrier sends multiple access with collision detection. Send as soon as the medium is free. Listen to the medium if the collision occurs. Medium access problem in wireless networks are signal strength decrease proportional to the square of the distance. If the distance will be increased, the signal strength will be decreases. Sender wants apply carrier sense and collision detection, but the collisions happen at the receiver. Sender may not hear the collision, that is collision detection does not work. Carrier sense might not work if terminal is hidden. So in the mobile ad hoc networks, hidden and exposed terminal are the major two problems present. First we see about the hidden terminal problems. The below figure shows the hidden terminal problems. If A wants to send data to B and C cannot receive A's data, means A is directly send data to B. If C wants to send data to B, C sends particular medium is free. Then C also wants to communicate with B. Now collision should be occur at the terminal B. A cannot receive the collision. A is hidden for C. And here on exposed terminal means A sends data to B, sends data to A, and C wants to send another terminal. C sends carrier, find the medium used and has to wait. And A is outside the radio range of C. Therefore, waiting is not necessary. C is exposed terminal to B. Multiple access with collision avoidance. Uses the signaling package for collision avoidance. We use the RTS and CTS. RTS means request to send. Sender requests the right to send from a receiver with a short RTS packet before it sends a data packet. Then CTS means clear to send. Receiver grants the right to send as soon as it is ready to receive. Signaling packets containing sender address, receiver address and packet size. So MACA solution is avoid the problem of hidden terminals. C wants to send B, means A sent RTS first. C wait after receiving CTS from B. And avoid the exposed terminal means A wants to send to A, B wants to send to A means C to another terminal means now C does not have to wait as it cannot receive CTS from A. A mobile ad hoc network is an autonomous system connected by wireless links. A MANET does not necessarily need support from any existing network infrastructure like the internet gateway or other fixed stations. The network wireless topology may dynamically change in an unpredictable manner since nodes are free to move. Information is transmitted in a store and forward manner using multi-hop routing. Each node is equipped with wireless transmitter and receiver with an appropriate antenna. We assume that it is not possible to have all nodes within each other radio range. When the nodes are close by, that is within the radio range, there are no routing issues to be addressed. At a given point in time, wireless connectivity in the form of random multi-hop graph exists between the nodes. This is the example diagram for mobile ad hoc network. Here we have a symmetric link and also a asymmetric link. Some of the characteristics of ad hoc networks are dynamically topology, bandwidth constraints, variable capacity of links, energy constraints, operations, and limited physical security. Dynamic topology means the network topology may change dynamically as the nodes are free to move, and bandwidth constraints, variable capacity link means realized throughput of wireless communication is less than the radio maximum transmission rate. Collisions occur frequently. Energy constraints operations. Some nodes in the ad hoc network may rely on batteries or other encapsulable means their energy. Limited physical security, more prone to physical security threats than fixed cable networks. And these are some of the applications: virtual navigations, telemedicine, telegeoprocessing, educations. These are some of the examples of your ad hoc networks. Thank you.